Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app. Let's do it and let's tap on the settings button in the left upper corner. As you can see here, we've got videos section and we've got it divided into two options. We've got rear video size, so this is connected with the camera which is on the back of your device, and front video size which is connected with this camera. So let me pick, for example, rear video size, and as you can see here we've got three different options which are connected to the ratio. So we can choose 16:9, which is right now applied. We can set full or 1:1. Obviously, after changing it, the camera look will also change and the shape of it will change. But as you can see, the resolution is available only in the 16:9 option. So let me tap on it and tap on the resolution. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we've got FHD right now applied, but you can change it to HD. So let me do it. Let me tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately appears here. So it means that from now on your device will use it and it will record videos in chosen resolution. So well, actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy A11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.